Ever found yourself staring at a transaction limit exceeded message on GrabPay, right when you needed to pay for that crucial ride or that delicious meal? Frustrating, isn't it? You're all set, phone in hand, ready to go, and then, bam! A digital roadblock. You're left wondering, wait, what's my limit anyway? And how do I even check it? You're not alone. Many GrabPay users grapple with this, especially as they start using it more for everyday transactions. It's easy to get caught up in the convenience of cashless payments without really understanding the underlying mechanics, like those pesky transaction limits. Knowing your limits isn't just about avoiding frustration, it's about managing your finances effectively and understanding the security measures in place. GrabPay, like many digital wallets, has transaction limits for a reason. These limits are designed to protect you and the platform from fraud and unauthorized transactions. They vary based on several factors, including your account verification level, your country, and sometimes even the type of transaction you're making. So, how do you navigate this? Let's break it down step by step. First, the most straightforward way to check your GrabPay transaction limit is through the Grab app itself. Open the app and tap on the payment icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your GrabPay wallet. Look for a settings or profile option within the wallet interface. The precise location can vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's usually easily accessible. Once you're in the settings, you should find an option related to account limits or transaction limits. Tapping on this will display your current limits. Here, you'll typically see a breakdown of your daily and monthly transaction limits. Some apps may even detail limits for specific types of transactions, like peer-to-peer transfers or online purchases. If you don't immediately see the limits, look for a help or FAQ section within the app. Grab's help resources often contain detailed information about transaction limits and how they're determined. You can also search directly within the help section for terms like transaction limit or spending limit. Another crucial factor affecting your limits is your account verification level. GrabPay often has different verification tiers, each with its own set of limits. Completing additional verification steps, like providing your ID or linking your bank account, can often increase your limits. If you find your limits are too restrictive, consider completing any outstanding verification steps. If you're still unsure after checking the app and help resources, don't hesitate to contact Grab's customer support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and clarify any questions you have about your transaction limits. You can usually find contact information or a live chat option within the app itself. Understanding your GrabPay transaction limits is essential for a smooth and convenient payment experience. It prevents unexpected disruptions and gives you better control over your finances. By following these steps, you can easily check your limits and ensure you're using GrabPay effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.